Hello everyone, this is Professor Hasselman. In this little quick video, I'm going to show you how to, after you've created your Google document, how to submit the Google document, the URL into Etudes for me to grade. So let's really quickly go into the Google Drive account that you've created. So drive.google.com. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to look in my drive, and I've created an account called, let's see, I'm going to create a new account, and or a new folder, and I'm going to call it History 17A Assignments. I'm going to create that account here, or that folder. I'm going to scroll down here. There it is right there. I'm going to open it, and now I'm going to create a new document like I did already. So I'm going to go to create a new document. I'm going to follow the instructions that I gave in the previous video. I'm going to first, after it's all loaded, you know it's loaded when all of the, everything is black. There's no grayed out here. Okay, so I'm going to insert a header, which was my last name, first name, History 17A, and then I'm going to put the section number. I don't remember what our section number is here. I'm going to put that right there. And then on the bottom of the page, I'm going to insert the page number, and I'm going to click the one that's right here. So there's the page number. Okay, so I've got page number, header. Now I'm going to put my 4 sentences. So here's my first sentence. This is my second sentence. Now there's the third, and the third, right? And finally, my last sentence. And one thing I can do before I turn this in, which I see an error here, but I'm gonna have it fix it. I'm gonna hit the tools and spelling, and I'm gonna have it do a spell check. And if you notice here, it corrected that word last, which is kind of hard to see here. But I wonder if I make this any smaller, if I can, or bigger. There it is. So there's the correction last right there. I'm going to tell it to change it, and no spelling suggestions. Everything is done. So here's my document. Now, what do I do with this document now that I am finished with it? Well, what I'm going to do is I am going to I'm going to give it a title. I'll call it Google Submission. Okay, so that is right there. You can put your name in the title, however you want to do it, but all your names are on here. I'm going to hit the share button, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say get shareable link. So click on here, and then I'm going to change the settings to can comment. And what this allows me to do is allows me to go through your essays or any of your written assignments and to add little, what look like little post-it notes, little things with my photo on there. You can see who made the comment, as well as some suggestions you could make, and I can highlight the information and send it to you, and then you can respond to those, and that way we can kind of have a dialogue if you would like to. So the link is there, and just to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and select the whole thing, and I'm going to copy it, which is Control-C, copy, or edit, Control-C, and I'm all done. So I've created the document, and I've copied the URL, or the web link that's going to take me to there once you put that in Etudes. All right, now how do I post it on Etudes? So I've gone to assignments and tests, and here's all the assignments and tests that we'll have during the class. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. I've already started this. I'm going to go back here and continue this. So I click on here, and it takes me to, let's see here. Let's go back one thing. I'm going to say in progress here, and it looks like, so prior to this were the instructions. Okay, but once you've watched the instruction video and you know what you're doing, this will take you to the next section. It's the Google account and doc submission, worth 10 points, no time limit, so if you don't want to do it now, you can do it later. Here's the instructions. If you click here, it'll take you to the 2 videos as well as the instructions right here. So once you get to this page, you click on the continue button, and it takes you to here. Here's where you will be submitting your document. Now here's where it gets just a little bit tricky. What you'll do is you'll click on this button right here that says link. So we'll click here, and what you will do is you will paste that URL that you put in its place there. So we'll hit Control V. We pasted it. Okay, Control V, Command V, Open Apple V, or Edit, Paste. Okay, so we've added it to there. Okay, notice it automatically changed the protocol to a secure website, so it opens it automatically. It's a URL type, and then if you want to, you can put target, and it looks like it's going to automatically put it in a new window. That's exactly what we want. So it automatically does that. Once you're finished with that, click on the OK button. And if you notice in your box, here you have the URL. Okay, it's all right there. And if you would like to type something afterwards, like here's my Google Doc, I really enjoyed using this software. And once you are all done, you can go to finish. And you click on the finish button and it asks you, are you sure you are completely done with this request or this assignment? Hit finish and it's done. It's been submitted. Now when I get the assignments on the other end, I will be able to see that you posted the URL. I will be able to open the Google Doc, and then I will be able to make comments on it as under my Google account. So please make sure you follow these instructions for the URL as well as following the instructions in the assignment video, and I look forward to seeing your submissions.